So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very good evening, good afternoon, good morning to you, whatever time zone you are. I'm Vishal Seni and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we have with us a very special guest in our Hall of Fame series. We have with us Mr. Tarun Bhargav, who is 56 and he was 55 and he's from Delhi. We met Tarun first time in May 2020, right? And when once we met him, we came to know that he's having hypertension medicine, homeopathy hypertension medicine from almost 4 5 years, and he was 103 kg, right? He came to a naturopathy system, he followed the system, and he got the results. And if you want to know what results he gained, Tarun has lost 27 kgs and he is absolutely free from hypertension medicine in just 1.5 days. I welcome you, Tarun, to this episode of Hall of Fame. And first of all, congratulations on getting this result, which is a dream for many people, and you have just done it like so simply. You have done it. So I'll come to you. I just want to ask you how this journey has been, what naturopathy has given you, what were the good things, what were the less good things, challenges, everything. Today it's your show. So please, I'll come to you.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Doctor. You have been a great inspirator, and you have actually been my guide, my mentor, and you have actually taken me through the whole journey that I have been through. I'll like to start. Before whatever happened with me, and then I'll come to naturopathy.
Awesome.
Earlier, weight loss was one of my major aims, and probably because of that only, I was having issues like hypertension. Then I was also having certain issues in my knees also because of overweight. The knees were giving way. Though it was initial stage, but I had made it a point to reduce the weight. I did quite a lot of exercising. I've been walking to a certain extent, but it was not helping. Then I went to several things, like you see so many ads happening in the television and that magazines and even on the system and internet. You see that there are medicines like Garcinia Cambogia and this and that. I mean, they will tell you that you lose weight in no time. You don't need to work out. You don't need to eat medicines. You eat whatever you want to, and still you lose weight by eating all these things. It is all crap. Nobody should follow all this. It is sheer waste of money, time, energy. Everything wasted. Then one day, I see my brother, what is also following naturopathy, and I was basically like, he knew it that I wanted to lose weight, and since he was doing it, it was almost a month for him, and he told me that he has lost a few inches in a month. It appeared to be like something which is very excellent. Though he gave me the link, he said you join, but as it's human psychology, I said that I am fed up with all this and I am not going to join naturopathy. It is again a waste of time. But unfortunately, the first day when he gave me the link and he persisted me to follow, I said that my internet is not coming, although it was there. I said no, it is not there. So I was not able to join the Zoom meeting held by Doc. So the next Sunday, he again called me and he sent me the link again, and he says that this time you have to join and I'll be online to see that your internet is working and everything is going fine. And then I thought that since my brother is persisting and he's getting benefits out of it, I might as well give it a try. And all he told me was that you can just go and listen to what the doctors to say. It is not necessary that you join after that. If you want to, if you feel like, do it. If you don't feel like, don't do it. I said, fine. I mean, there's no harm in giving maybe 1 or 2 hours to listen to something if it is beneficial. But believe me, that was a game changer. The first talk that doctor gave me was, I think, the most revolutionary thing that could have happened for me to lose my weight. That was the first thing that happened. And after listening to him, it took me just 1.5 minutes to decide that I'm going to join him. The very same evening, I sent him the joining charges, whatever was required to be done, I did. And thanks to doctor that in the very first meeting, he said that after that, after my joining, the very first meeting, the session that he held, he gave me a bonus, which was a one-to-one meeting. Although that is pending today, but I still feel that whenever I've asked a query,
Yes.
doctor has always given me, I think, the response on time. And
Yes.
it has been a beautiful, beautiful journey all through. Beautiful
Yes.
journey.
Yes, I still
All through
remember
the
one to
journey,
one was pending. Yeah.
it is still pending, and I really don't have a grudge on that because I have got my answers whenever I've asked for. See, now coming to how the journey has been all through this. Initially, when we started, unfortunately for me, the day I joined naturopathy with doctor, the same day my office resumed after lockdown. So I was thinking that the lockdown is going to increase, and in any case, I will get some time to adjust myself, though I didn't get any time. Initially, it was very difficult for me because of my long working hours. I was not able to even attend the Zoom meetings. In fact, I requested once or twice to delay the meeting, and Doc has been so helpful to us that at that point of time, he delayed the meeting also for me. So I think that was an excellent gesture from his part, which gave me a lot of strength. And then I made the point that I have to follow by all means. And after that, the journey was simple because we were getting a very able guidance, and at the same time, whatever we need to do, that was very clearly given. I mean, it was listed down, videos were sent, study material was given, everything was there. So even if I was not able to join the meetings. What I had to do was just go back to my Google Drive and open the links whenever I get free time, read it, and follow it. And if there are queries, Doc is always available. Now I see that you have added a lot of team to all your online sessions.
Yes.
And at that point of time, I remember we needed to always like get back to you, and we have shared I think a very good rapport till now.
Yes.
Till
Yes.
now,
Yes.
everything has been fine, and
Yes.
you guided me to this. I'll always be thankful to you all my life for this.
Thank you so much. It was your, it was okay. I can say I told you something, but it was you, Tarun, who followed that path. It's very important to follow that path. A lot of people they just break in between, they just quit, but you followed it to the T, and you got the results. So one thing that is coming in my mind. Okay, you said that you were able to taper your BP medicines in just 1.5 day, 36 hours, 46 hours. Tell us something about what it feels like that 27 kg has gone from your body. How much you value that, which you were struggling for a lot of years, as you said, and losing 27 kgs almost in 8 to 9 months, and getting your energy back. What it exactly means to you.
See, the feeling that I have is something which I cannot put in words. The point is that initially, when I used to walk because of my weight, when I used to walk, I used to get a very heavy breathing. Then, apart from that, at the end of it, I definitely used to sweat. But at the end of it, I used to feel a lot tired, and there was a pain, a heaviness in the chest initially when I did. And by the end of 8 or 9 months, when I lost the weight, the first change was that I used to do brisk walking instead of slow walking.
Mhm.
And I used to sweat. Yes, like earlier, I used to sweat, but at the same time, there was no short breath or there was no heaviness in the chest, and everything was fine. That is one. Second thing is that as you guided me, you said that we need to get the sunlight also for vitamin D. So I had made the point that I'm going to walk between 7 and 8 so that I get sunlight, I
Smart.
get my vitamin quota and vitamin D quota, as well as I do the walking exercise. So it helps me sweat also. When you're doing it in the sunlight, it helps you do that also. So that was one of the features that I did. Second thing was that see all through now you asked me that how does it feel after losing so much of weight. Now
Yeah.
the point is, see, I now have made the point that naturopathy is the way of living for me. I'm not going to go back. I
Awesome.
have a lot of see even in the society that I'm living in Delhi, it's basically a BDA colony, and I have inspired 2 to 3 guys over here who have already joined naturopathy with Dr. Vishal Sani, and that is Go Nature. They're already members of Go Nature today, and just because they saw what the result, I did not have to speak. They said, "Are you all right?"
Mm.
I said, "Why?" They said that you have lost so much of weight. Everything's all right with you. I said, yes, I'm fine, absolutely fine. There's
Mhm.
nothing to worry. I am doing it on purpose. I'm doing it with it. and it is hard work that you're putting in, which is helping me to reduce weight. And
Mm.
yes, discipline has to be there. If we do not have
Yes.
discipline, we will not be able to achieve anything, that is for sure. So I followed that. Discipline was something which I wanted to have. I was given a schedule that you have to eat by 8, but unfortunately, I used to reach my home by 8:30. So I could not have had my dinner, whatever I have for dinner, by 8. So I needed to change that. I definitely went down to say around 10. Till 10, I used to have my dinner. After that, I used to go off to bed for by 11. And morning again, I used to get up at 5:30, which is the routine that I've already built. And now my body clock
Mm.
wakes me up at 5:30 every day.
Wow.
I don't even need the alarm for that.
Wow. Awesome.
The third thing that is, the third thing is I'm not feeling sleep deprived also.
Mm.
So normally people say that you need to have 7 to 8 hours every day. But now I do not feel that sleep deprivation. Although I sleep at around 11 and get up at 5:30, that
Mm.
somehow has been adjusted to my lifestyle and my body.
Mm.
So now everything is fine on that also.
Yes.
The third thing that I've done is that when I get up early, I do a little bit of black. I'm sure I'll not tell anybody that I'll not lie. I'm not doing everything that has been prescribed. But whatever I can do, I do. Apart from that, I have been following a strict regime in terms of eating. I
Wow.
was given a schedule that you need to go in for intermittent fasting of 16 hours, and I
Yes.
have made the point that before 16 hours, I'm not going to have anything except for water and whatever things that have been told. And now the second problem that I faced was that what do I take to my office as my lunch? See, after 16 hours of intermittent fasting, you definitely would
Feel
like to
hungry.
have something, and
Exactly.
that was a problem. Yeah, that was a problem. So I came up with the idea that I will take, as guided by doctor, that I should take fruits that need not be cut.
Yeah.
You can have it
Labor
just
free.
like that.
Labor
So
free. Yeah.
liver
Yeah.
free fruits. So what I did was that I started taking 4 bananas
Mm.
and one kheera and maybe 2 tomatoes. I started with
Exactly.
that, but then even after that, I did not feel like having anything. So
Mm.
initially, I started with 4 bananas. Then I
Mm.
went down to adding more vegetables, I mean raw vegetables, and then I again came back to 4 bananas. Now even today, all
Mm.
through the day, I just have 4 bananas.
Mm.
Now it is more than almost about say 1 year plus, and
Mm.
I had this little. I gained weight again, 2 to 3 kgs, which I have lost. Out of that, I have lost about 1.5 kgs now again, and
Mm.
this all happened because I was losing on discipline. I'm back to my CTS diet as usual, and in the these days also, I also faced in April 2021, I was down with COVID. The entire family was down with COVID. And by the guidance of doctor, we probably uh, avoided taking all kinds of medicine except for one homemade medicine that was just two small little balls of sugar that they gave along with some medicine. I don't know what was the medicine, but it was sent by the doctor to us, and we just took that. All from no allopathic medicine at all, nothing, nothing, and we only followed the diet.
Yeah.
And people say that after you are COVID positive and once you recover, you feel a lot of weakness all around. We have people see this time the second wave has been deadly. So many
Mm.
people we lost,
Mm.
and there are so many people around us who have recovered but who feel weak. Touch wood, by the grace of God, since we are
Mm.
following naturopathy, we were all fine. There is absolutely no sign of any weakness. There was
Thanks
no
you.
sign of any
Yeah.
sorry.
Thanks you stressed on this point because this post-COVID people having COVID and then taking medicines, and there are a lot of weaknesses. But people who remained in naturopathy, I think they came up much better than who were on conventional medicines. What I feel.
Absolutely. See, I'll tell you the dateline. On 16th, I got myself tested.
Mm-hmm.
On 17th morning, I got my RT-PCR report, which was COVID positive. All four of us, all entire family. And or by the third day or the fourth day, we had no symptoms of COVID. Although, as responsible citizens of the country, we decided to continue our home quarantine for the entire 17-day period. The
Okay,
moment my
awesome.
17 days were over, I wanted to join office because I was feeling perfectly all right.
Mhm.
And since like there was a lockdown imposed, we didn't go for 2 more days. And after the 19th day, I resumed. My office, and since then I have been regular over there. My energy levels are again at the peak. I have absolutely no issues. Earlier, I used to feel like having to test once I used to climb flight of stairs.
Mhm.
Now in my office, my cabin is on the ground floor, and the team that I'm managing, half of it sits on the first floor. I
Mhm.
think almost about 20 to 30 times I go to the first floor and come back, go to the first floor and
Wow.
come back. Almost 20, 30 times. So for me, I'm doing that kind of exercise
Uh,
every day. And
energy
then
levels are high. Yeah.
energy levels are high. And second thing is that I am into the real estate industry. So now what happens is that we don't have any work from home. You can't do
Mhm.
it. You have to go to the site for different meetings, for different issues. So that is another thing, like that adds to the walking time that we do through the day. Number
Mhm.
of steps that you take is phenomenal, even in that, because if you have to go through the project, I mean, even one round of the project, that means that you already covered almost 1.5 kilometers.
Wow.
So that kind of walking and the flight of stairs that we take, these are things like which keep you fit. And there are so many people, I mean, who have got inspired now, who talked about it. Now people have started talking that I want to lose it as you have done. There are so many people, even in my client base, which I meet regularly. They are astonished. They say, "What has happened to you? Are you all right?" I say,
Yeah.
"I'm fine. I've lost weight on purpose.
You
I've done it
become
myself.
you
That's
become a
all
kind
part."
of magnet. Become a kind of magnet when you're healthy. People are looking towards you. People are influenced. They want to become like you. What I feel. Right. So one more thing I wanted to ask with you over here, Tarun, that like if you have seen that you have been through all my posts, I have divided into some parts. You can say the first part can be, first it's like changing your mindset. Then the second part you can say I give a lot of evidences. Then the third part is say I try to bring that hope in people who have become hopeless. Then the fourth part can be explaining for almost explanation for almost 23 to 25 hours. I explain different diseases and what you have to do. And the last part is diet. The people who are more fond is diet, and diet is the last part. So what according to you would say would be the best thing? Mindset, explanation, evidences, diets. What would be your take on this? What people actually need? Hope. What they first want. They want diet first. What according to you should be the top priority? Hope, explanation, diets. Yeah, yeah, diets.
See, I'll
Evidences. Yeah, please.
see. I'll say that a combination of all, because
Hmm.
anything standalone is
Combination
not
of
going
all.
to help.
Hmm.
But 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 the starting point has to be faith.
Hmm.
If
Faith.
you don't have faith, you will not get the results. You
Yes.
have to have the trust. If I
Exactly.
if I would have not have trusted you, I'll not have given my best to it. If I would not
Yes.
have given my best to it, I would not have achieved the results. I
True.
see whether somebody else has achieved the results or not is not going to help you. What is going
Exactly.
to help you is that you have the trust, you have the determination, you have the faith in what you're doing. And not only for naturopathy, I'm saying that even in life, you have to have faith in what you want. You
Exactly.
should know what you desire and you should
Hmm.
work for it. If you do that, there is nothing that is going to, I mean, the success can't elude you. That is for
Hmm.
sure. And this is the first time I came across naturopathy, frankly.
Hmm.
We used to hear,
Core
in
naturopathy, you can
the
say. Core
olden days,
naturopathy.
people used core,
Yeah. Core
core
naturopathy.
naturopathy. There has to be a process. One should understand what is the process. And
Exactly.
second thing is that you need a mentor or
Hmm.
maybe a guru who can guide you through it. If somebody is giving you a guidance and if it is a capable guidance,
Hmm.
there is nothing which can stop you. See,
Hmm.
how do you actually get into it? The interest will only come once you understand what the other person is telling you.
Exactly.
What the other person is telling you, he's giving you evidences along with it. He's giving, he's saying that like people are vouching for what he has said. Now, if that is happening, then you get to build up your trust.
Mm.
And initially, we should see, normally people say that you should be negative and then work towards the positive. I'm saying the other way around.
Mm.
First be positive, and if you don't find results, go to the negative and leave it.
Awesome.
For me, I started with the positive, and I had no reason to leave it. I had no reason for my faith to go down because I was getting results. In the very first month, I lost almost about 5 kgs. In the very first month.
Very first
And
one, 5
after
kgs.
that, yes, and after that, and I started losing inches. Believe me, I am not going in for a new set of clothes. I'm still wearing the old clothes because they remind me of two things. One is that my journey is still on. Second is that reminds me that what I was and what I am today.
Yeah.
So, and it has actually given me a new reason of life. Almost I've added 10 to 12 years to my life.
Mm.
What more could I have asked for?
Awesome. So what is the mindset, what is the environment at home, your family, your wife, your children, I think it's, what are their take with naturopathy?
See, I'll tell you, initially there was a lot of resistance because they said that this is another thing that you're doing, because they had seen me do so many things, Garcinia Cambodia or this or that. They've seen me do all these things, all kinds of powders and medicines and this and that. They said this is another thing that you're doing and you are wasting your time, money, energy and effort. But I said, look, let me do it once. And in the first month when I got the results, they started taking it seriously that yes, he's doing something and he's getting results. Then slowly, when I said that we need to, then we had this COVID, it was definitely heavy on the mind, very heavy on the mind. So when I was taking, every day I take Hinda tea in the morning. It is a part of my now routine. And now after that, I definitely gave it to my wife. I said, you also taste it once. And now, as a matter of fact, both of us, we take Hinda tea every day in the morning.
Wow.
And coming to the rest of my family, my son is basically he's done his engineering and he's completed his engineering this year, and he is into gymming and bodybuilding and all those kind of things. So I feel that he's fit enough and he doesn't to do workout or do any of these kind of things right now, because this is not the right time for him. But my daughter, after seeing the results that I've achieved, has also joined naturopathy with doctor, and she's a part of the group of Go Nature. She's a member of the Go Nature. So what more can I say? I don't need to go out and tell. I'm saying that my neighbors, they are into it. I'm saying that my family is into it. I'm
Living
saying
example.
that my colleagues are into it.
Yes.
If everybody, I've already. See, we have had discussions. It is not that I tell or they'll see me and they'll say, okay, we'll all go naturopathy. No, it doesn't happen like that. They will have questions. They will have so many things. With the little knowledge that I've gained while being with you, I have been able to answer. There are so many questions in life. Why we should go on to a vegan lifestyle? Why should we leave MRP? Why should we do all these things? So I have been able to answer these questions just by hearing to a few of your sessions.
True.
And believe me, for the last almost about 9 months or 10 months, I have not been on any of your sessions because I'm not getting time. Usually today, because of this meeting that we had scheduled, I came back early.
But still the system, but still the system is working because you know what is the secret.
Absolutely. And I have not given up on any of these things that I have learned.
Exactly.
As a matter of fact, I have religiously followed it.
Yes.
And I intend to do it all through my life.
Yeah.
Now there is no going back. I have targeted myself to be 70 kg. I gave a little break in the last 2-3 months where I gained 3-4 kg, but now I'm again back to it. And now I'm going to take it to 70 kg and I'm going to fix up a bracket of 5 kgs for me where I can gain a little bit and then again lose. Then again gain and again lose.
You can always juggle with that, 4-5 kgs, you can always juggle, you can, because we are social animals, we have to go to meetings and sometimes parties and meetings. So if sometimes some cheat is done, so you are always, that you can always bounce back and you can always do that detox. So that is the key. Yes, I tell to all my students, this is a good strategy, this is the best strategy. Yeah.
Because that is that will also see normally what we say is that if you continue with one thing only,
Yeah.
your body gets used to it and the results start slowly diminishing.
Exactly.
Now when you do off and on, off and on, off and on, the body is not getting used to it and it is going to give you the results. So I feel that anybody and everybody should have cheat days also,
Exactly.
cheat sessions, so that
First come in the safe
you're
zone.
able to
First,
enjoy life.
you first came in the safe zone in your first 3-4 months. You were in the safe zone.
Absolutely.
And after that, yes, you can cheat. You can have fun. It's not because I'm very grateful you stressed on this point, because a lot of people think that naturopathy is something like starving or being skeptical about starting their journey. So the point is, yes, you guys can have cheat days, wonderful cheat days, big cheat days, but once you have to be in the safe zone. Yeah.
And one more thing, if somebody says that you have to starve, absolutely not. There has not been even a single day when I starved.
Yes.
I am still doing good. My energy levels are they're not sagged even for a day. I have been doing good. I have not put on weight. I have measured my BP off and on, and especially during the COVID days. Touch wood, by the grace of God, my BP was always normal, and I don't feel anything. Normally,
Yes.
I see when I was suffering from hypertension, I used to get symptoms like heaviness in my head. My hands used to get swollen, and that burning sensation was there. So I used to know that BP is high. I used to drink a little bit of water. I used to take rest, then medicine. Then one more thing that used to happen was heat wave. It is all gone. My knees, they're all fine now.
Please, yeah.
Absolutely no pain. I can sit like anything.
Yes, you can
And
climb 20-30 times. You're going to first floor and coming down 20-30 times. So
absolutely. So along with naturopathy, now again one more thing that I would like to stress on, that people who go into naturopathy should not blame naturopathy for anything. And in case even if you do only naturopathy and you are not indulging into physical activity, then also naturopathy can only help you reduce the problem, but it cannot help you eradicate it. If you want to eradicate it, please get involved into some kind of physical activity, basically a kind of a cardio or anything of that kind. I am not saying that you go deep into yoga or you do anything and everything that you can do. If you are not able to do it,
Some
absolutely
movement.
fine.
Some movement of your
Some
body.
movement.
Yeah.
Some movement.
That's
And
very
there are small little things that we can inculcate in our lifestyles. Like for example, when you're talking on a cell phone,
Yeah.
normally that we do off and on, and like when you're working, there are so many calls that you get. Whenever you get a call, just get up and start walking.
true.
Whenever you're talking
Yes.
on your cell phone, you should always be on your feet.
Yes.
You should not be sitting on the chair. Make it a point for you. So that is going to help. That is the kind of activity that you've gone into.
Smart
Then
work.
after
Smart work.
maybe half an hour, smart work. After half an hour, maybe take a 5-minute break. Just chill out with your friends, or maybe go out, go to the washroom. Because for any reason, just move out of your place. So once you start doing that, you will, after a point of time, get the urge, because the body is going to get used to it that after 30 minutes, now I have to take a break. It's
Yes.
automatically gone.
You have to listen to your body.
That you
You have to listen to your
Absolutely.
body even if it is diseases, even if it is good health, your body will speak to you. You just have to listen to it.
Absolutely. And see, because of the internet and the systems that we have, online meetings and everything, we are glued to the screens. This is definitely hampering the eyesight.
Yes.
Now, giving it also a break. When you're off the system, when you're off the phone, you are giving your eyes a break. If you give a 5-minute break after every 30 minutes or 40
Digital
minutes,
detox.
that is
Digital
going to be
detox is very important.
it's good. Yes. There are so many things that one can do, not only naturopathy. Naturopathy is definitely the plus one, and the rest of the things we need to inculcate in our lifestyle. And once you start feeling fit, all these things will automatically come in.
True.
You'll feel good. So that is the point that needs to be driven home. So when I said that it's a combination of everything, this is what I meant. That it is a combination of everything. You need to have evidences, yes. You need to have examples in front of you, and examples not that just only on internet. They have to be live in front of you.
Exactly.
And one more thing I would like to say, that people who have benefited out of naturopathy should definitely spread the word.
Exactly.
Because today the pharmaceutical industry is basically I'll use a word called rape. They're raping our happiness. They're raping us out of our money. They're raping us out of our health. So if we need to stop that, we need to spread the word that naturopathy is a way of living. You don't need any medicines. Whatever amount that you're going to spend on medicine, you just spend a fraction of it on what you eat and
Exactly.
see the results. See the results. So eat good. You will
Food
not even
is
need the
food is
medicine.
the biggest medicine.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I would say the
And I
only
remember
medicine.
you once. Absolutely, absolutely. Once I remember once in one of the sessions you had mentioned that mentioned about dogs and buffaloes and
Yeah.
cows, like how they treat themselves. Normally, it is said that animals have self-healing capacity. You know, even if they get hurt, they heal themselves. They don't have doctors. I'm talking about the animals in the wild. They heal
Yeah.
themselves, and it's a fact. It is a truth. And believe me, we human beings are also animals only,
Exactly. We
and
are Homo sapiens.
we
Yeah.
also have a self-healing process.
Hmm.
We have a self-healing process. All we need to do is do what is required to be done. If we stop our healing process to work by taking things which are not required or meant to be taken, probably we are hampering our own system. When we talk about strengthening the immune system, all we are talking about is let the body be on its natural path,
Hmm.
and it is going to help you.
True.
You don't need anything else.
Awesome.
And I again remember in one of your sessions you have said that there are so many diseases which are reversible, and I've also seen videos of different people, I mean, who talk about all this. One of them is I'm forgetting the dog's name, who makes a lot of videos, a Bengali dog.
Yes, I was about to come. So what is the message for my mentor, Dr. Bisguru Roy Chaudhary? Is the name?
Biswarup Roy Chaudhary. I've seen a lot of videos of Biswarup Roy Chaudhary, and believe me, he is one guy who is a revolutionary guy. I mean, he is one guy who is taking everybody apart. He has been taken off all kinds of, social handles, but the guy is resilient. He is not going to give up. Hats off to him. All I'm
Yes.
saying is people who actually join naturopathy, one, they should not give up.
Yes.
Second, they should make it their lifestyle, follow it for life. And third, please spread the good word.
Yes.
Please spread the good word. I think we this is a service to the humanity that we need to do. Dr. Vishal has a dream that he wants to serve at least a lakh of
100,000.
people
Yes.
by 100,000 by spreading this naturopathy to them. And I want that this number should go to more than 100,000. It should go to 10,000, so that we see
Thank you so much.
people are good, people are actually enjoying life. And doc, believe me, all I can do, I am actually going to do for spreading naturopathy, because I see it as a way of life. I see it as a way of healthy life.
Awesome. Thank you so much for this. I think this is going to bring a lot of revolution, and people watching this interview are going to really take a lot of goodies. And at last, I want to ask two questions, good ones, and that would be: where do you see yourself 20, 25 years from now? And what one message is for those people who are obese and having hypertension? Because you were someone who was also having these problems, but lost 27 kgs, BP normal in 1.5 days. So where do you see yourself 20, 25 years down the line? And what is the message for people who are obese and on hypertension pills?
See, 20, 25 years down the line, we do not know about the next day. So 20, 25 years down the line, probably it is very difficult to say. But if the Almighty wants, probably after I retire
Yeah.
from my work life, I am going to dedicate myself to spreading naturopathy. That is for sure. I am definitely going to get associated with you as an associate to spread the word. And definitely, I'll request you to train me. Probably
Sure,
whatever it
definitely,
takes.
definitely.
I'll request
Yes.
you to train me so that I can spread it for you. I am
Definitely.
it is basically for the people. It is not for you. It is for the people. Who
It is
will
for the
benefit out
earth,
of
it is for people, it is for
For the-
earth, it is for humanity.
Earth.
All the pathies coexist.
Absolutely.
Every pathy has their own minus point, plus points. But when it comes to naturopathy, we are actually giving back to planet Earth. So if the more of us can, if more of us can make it a big bunch, so we would be giving back more to the planet. And this planet is the only place we have to live after all. We have to think like that. So what I feel.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the second point that you said was what is the message to
Yeah.
people who are obese
Obese and
and
hypertension.
probably suffering from hypertension? I'll say till the time you don't lose weight, till the time you are not off medicine, you will not be able to get this feeling that you
Hmm.
get. Second thing, that obesity is almost a problem for 90 to 95% of the diseases that you're going to face in your life in case you don't lose weight. It
Hmm.
is something which is critical to your lifestyle. It is very critical to your life. Now, the only thing that people don't understand today is that they say that we have enough time.
Hmm.
I am trying to give this message to them that people who are obese, people who are suffering from hypertension or maybe low blood pressure, they should not take it easy.
Hmm.
These are silent killers. They
Hmm.
will develop in such a rapid pace that you will not be able to, even understand what has happened to you. One fine day, you will find that you have certain diseases which are irreversible as per the
Water.
medical terminology.
Water has
Yeah, the
reached
water has
some
already
limit.
gone over above your head. And but now I used to feel this that after a certain stage you can't do it. But after attending your sessions now, I firmly believe every disease can be reversed.
Awesome.
Every disease can be reversed. The only thing is that you just need to change your lifestyle, come back to the natural way of living. Naturopathy is the thing for everybody. Anybody who listens to it, anybody who hears it, anybody who reads it, I will say naturopathy is the only way of living. You can enjoy your life if you are on it, and you get more years for doing that.
Cool. Awesome.
And all thanks to you.
Thanks to you, Varun. Tarun. Let me just tell you why this confusion is there. Tarun and Varun, they both are brothers, and I know you guys have seen Varun's interview, and Tarun is his younger brother, right? So it's like, Steve Wong, Mark Wong, Irfan Pathan, Yusuf Pathan. So we have Tarun Bhargav and Varun Bhargav, right?
And now my daughter Mokshika Bhargav is also on part.
Yes, Mokshika Bhargav is also part of the family, right? So the Bhargav family is all rocking and spreading the word. And thank you very much for promoting naturopathy. Thank you so much. So this particular
It is my
interview
pleasure,
is
doctor.
going to bring a lot of revolution. And thank you very much for promoting the naturopathy you have. And thank you so much for being here. It means a lot to the entire family. Thank you so much.
I will be doing it all through my life, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.